We are bigger than Nigeria army and we are also stronger than Nigeria army. Biafra Liberation Army said, they say they go win them for any battle where they carry come. That's why they know they enter inside their territory. No be small thing, no. This now waiting Biafra Liberation Army talk for this video we will go show now. Hello, mo go find out how this thing take happen. Oh, hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today are the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. This Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. They talk say, no be smart, you know. He said that they are bigger than Nigeria army and they stronger than them. He say as him be for him body today, be like say they go even come now. May they start the battle as they go. No be smart thing. The matter pass me, and I say my carry and come give my people. My people, before we go inside this matter, check whether you don't follow this page. Quickly do so, because if you go mistakes, scope this video and not go see the page again, may you try follow the page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell so that you can get our updates back to back. Okay, now look how all this thing take their happen. They say Biafra Liberation Army on this viral video said that they are fully ready to battle Nigeria army, but only that they can't even near their territory. He said they are bigger than them and they are stronger than them. And in any battle, we be say they want go, they say they go win them for any battle. Say Biafra Liberation Army are fully ready and prepared. They don't even know what is coming for them. My people, will show you this video. May you watch out from beginning to end, and we'll come back and talk more about the video. May we watch the video together.
I tell you, what is bigger than you is stronger than you. You think say na joke at the top. Biafra is bigger than Nigeria, and Biafra Liberation Army is stronger than Nigeria army. Terrorist group put together. You don't know this? I don't want to dwell on. I'm here to tell the person that know the person that know the person that know hope. To tell hope, you should call whosoever that is in charge of this terrorist group that choose to come today and disturb our peace, that they should move forward. We don't already cook food for them, make them come eat. Why are they one place they no one come eat? Then give us signal say they are coming, and we take our time to prepare delicious food for them, and they no one come eat. If they no come eat this food, make Chuko Kikabiama punish them. We go find them, come, we go force them give this food. You see this food that you make us to prepare, we go force you give you this food by force. You must eat this food by fire, by force. By force. You think we are joking? We are seeing gear 2. We never enter gear 3. So don't worry. This one, you are afraid to come. We are just seeing in acceleration 2. And you are afraid to come. What will happen to you when we enter gear 3? What will happen to you when we enter gear 3? It's a simple question. How can you call yourself a soldier? You cannot come and combat the fellow soldier. We are waiting for you. Somebody that know hope should tell hope that the men he pay money to come and combat Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Force and Eastern Security Network say they are not coming. Oh, they are just there in one community where they know say we no fit come there and fight them because of the Biafra citizens that are there. They are there throwing bomb, and their bomb is not doing anything. Where they're supposed to use leg and approach to the battlefield, they are not coming. Oh, that hope should call them and tell them and plead with them and beg them to move forward. Say men are ready for them. Please beg hope. Please hope. beg them to come forward. Hope double their money, ginger them to come forward. Hope, please, I take God name beg you. Beg these people, make them come forward. Make them come forward. Hope, please, beg your soldier where you deploy, make them come forward. Now, wow, how can you just keep men since 6 o'clock reach now? I'm not happy. Oh, we win away at the verse. At the verse. Now, verse they vex me so. Now, verse they vex me so. Because they don't go waste our time cook this kind of delicious food and they don't want to come eat. Make thunder fire them. Hope, tell your men to move forward. Whosoever that command these soldiers should charge them to move forward. Charge your soldier to move forward. Let them move forward. Let them move forward. Do you think we are here to play? Later in the day, I will still be here to tell you if they have come or if they have not come. I don't understand them anymore. I can't understand these people. I'm only looking at the cowardness in them. That by now they're supposed to don't come. More we fight this fight where they on the ground. But we are not seeing any threat of them. Since where then they want community where civilians full where they know say that we no fit dey there react to them. If we go there go meet them, so many civilians go follow them go judgment, and they know quite well. Instead of them to move forward to the clear battlefield, they refuse to move forward. I'm still here to update you. If they come, I will still give you one sound. I will come alive in the battlefield for you to hear the sound. To tell you that they have come. And after the battle, I will still come and tell you the result. But for now, believe you me, they refuse to come. They only stay for community, one community, and be throwing bomb. But their bomb cannot do us anything. I've already told you that. Their bomb na Ɓ0mɓ, and Ɓ0mɓ never kill anybody. So their bomb cannot harm us. So Chukwu Okike Abiama is by our side. I want to thank you once again. This very morning, share this message until it reach Hope. If Hope will call them to move forward, men are fully prepared waiting for them. 100 prepared waiting for them. Please beg Hope to charge them to move forward. Thank you once again. For those of you who are madly in love with this restoration of Biafra, my fellow congrats, Chukwu Okike Abiama bless and keep protecting you. And thank you so much, my beloved family followers. All of you who are following these brokers, share these brokers. You are my strength. Your prayer have been answered by Chukwu Okike Abiama himself. And as I always tell you, that whenever you want to pray for the gallant men on ground, you put on white candle, the angels of Biafra will guide them. You put on red candle, the gods of war will fight with our enemy and destroy them. You put on black candle, the enemies of Biafra will never see the children of light. And your prayer have been answered by God. It does not really matter how many they are. If they come in million, they will fall in million. If they come in 1,000, they will fall in 1,000. If they come in 100, they will fall in 100. If they come in unit, they will fall in unit. And if they come in 10, they will fall in 10. No two ways about that. That is why we no fear. That is why we cannot go anywhere. This land of our ancestors belongs to us, and we go nowhere. It is our portion whom Ɓ0mɓ give to our great-great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to us. And believe you me, we must hand over this land to our children and our children unborn, without the presence of Fulani and Hausa and Britain in it. And our children will enjoy it in all the fullness. This is the oath we take. Never to retrieve, never to surrender until we restore Biafra. The more the enemy come, the more they will die. The harder they fight, the harder they will die. The land of Biafra will swallow the enemies of Biafra. Because he that come with gun and bullet must die with gun and bullet. There is no two ways about that. From me, from the land of Biafra, I'm going to tell you to remain tuned and remain focused. Fear not, because we are in charge. Ɓ0mɓ have prepared us many years to come for this battle. And we are here. No human being can destroy us. No man nor woman, no spirit, from water and from land, from up and down, from anywhere or any angle, from one road or two road or three road or fourth junction, that can destroy us. The more they come, the harder they come, the harder they will fall. So therefore, we are here to destroy the enemies of the land. Because light and darkness have nothing in common. And darkness can never comprehend light. Have this in mind. No Biafra, no peace for Nigeria. No Biafra, no peace for Nigeria. And every single souls, innocent souls of Biafra then kill, we will revenge for their blood. We will revenge for their blood. They will pay dearly. And by the time we will done with them, they will wish they never meet somebody like us. That is the truth. And if you think you can stop us, you know, as we rule, step forward. Let's see what you have. And let's see your power. But we tell you one thing, and that one thing is Biafra or Biafra. Either you leave Biafra to go in peace, or we will take Biafra by force. And if you think you can stop us, I challenge you to move forward.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be small thing, you don't hear everything we talk for that video. With the like to back up our update with a video, may you know, say this one, no be we just go for them the talk. You don't hear and say they are fully ready to battle with the Nigerian army. He said they are fully prepared, no be small thing. But waiting, I want talk for this video now be say, I beg you, may you know, say you are ready to battle. Because if you no go ready to battle, now people where they by the side, now then go suffer. So anything where you talk, make sure say you stand on it. Now be our own. Now they talk put for this matter. We all want Biafra, but we don't want our people life to be risked in any way. So guys, I beg, may you let us know what will be your own contribution for this particular video where you watch right now. You don't hear and say our men say they ready to battle, and we fully support them. But all we are saying is that let them make sure say their strategies or anyhow where they want to do the thing, make them make sure say they plan and when, so that our people wey dey for the villages no go suffer am last. That's how we take talk am. Okay guys, let us know your own opinion, and please, this is my own opinion, so say your own opinion, because if you come my page and write nonsense, I'll block you. I'll delete your comment. Your comment will never, no one will ever see, so don't waste your time to insult me. Leave your own opinion, that's all. Okay guys, we will see you for the next update. Drop your own opinion in this video, and let's talk about it in the comment section. Thank you.